I'm at another field here tonight with the RCPowes F18 version 3. This has a nice sized parking lot, and the reason why I'm at the parking lot today is to test out the zip tie landing gear that mccalljc on the RCPowes forum came up with. He fashioned his with Gorilla Glue. I'm using foam tack for mine. And the other thing I did was I kept the whole zip tie together, and it's resting. I glued it to the main wing on the bottom so that the weight of the plane is on the main wing a little bit more than on just the nacelles on the zip tie. So let's see how that does. Easy takeoff. Use the rudders to steer. Wow, beautiful. I can do a little bit of steering, but just to line it on the runway, it does not allow me to actually turn the plane. But hey, that's fine with me. Very nice. Wow, I'm very impressed by that. All right, let's take it out to the grass. Well, not quite. Not quite working for grass. Maybe with a little bit more height it'll work, but this grass is a little bit too tall, and it's resting on the nacelles on the bottom. Very nice. Fairly noticeable when you're flying it. Can't feel the weight at all, and you can't really see them either. Very nice. Love it. Beautiful. What a great invention.